What's up, y'all? Hey, I was gonna do a quick shop update. I know I hadn't got a video up about 2 weeks, and I just got so many pits going on. Just same thing I say every time, I guess. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick shop update, show y'all what was going on, and let everybody know that it has sent a deposit already. I'm on top of it. It's just I'm getting to them, and I'm getting to them as fast as I can. But anyway, I'm trying to get some ribs off the grill right now. And I got some other pits that I'm working on that I'll come show you. Oh, them suckers coming out, huh? Yeah, that was about right. But let me show you these pits right quick. I got one of them over here. I got stuff everywhere right now trying to get stuff done. Trying to get these cut and buffed out before it gets dark. It's gonna be dark in about 30-40 minutes. But I got this trailer over here about done. And I was gonna do a video on this thing. I just didn't have time to get it done. That's the big version of that reverse flow. This doggone trailer is heavy too with all this plate on it. The pit is half or a 1/4 inch, and all this is 3/16, and then the floor of it is 1/8 inch down there. Burners over there, and steel plate still wrapped around it. But anyway, I got this one pretty much done. A couple more things to do to it, and then I got some more I'm working on over here. You can see too, I've been messing with this little shop some, getting it done little at a time. I ain't no big rush for it, but I got a vertical going right here, upright vertical. I'm gonna try to get most of it done tonight. I need to get that thing going. You guys have been waiting a while. Got another small reverse flow over here that I'm cutting the door out on. So anyway, man, you can see there's a bunch of stuff going on. And like I say, just everybody that's already sent a deposit, and I promise you, I'm on top of it. It's just trying to get it all done. I had so many. A lot of people ended up sending deposits right in the same 1 or 2 day time frame. And so when I was expecting one to be about, say, 7 or 8 weeks, and then 3 or 4 people sent it at the same time, that bumped some people up to 10 to 12 weeks, you know. And it just happens like that sometimes. There's really nothing I can do about it. But anyway, I am on top of it, man. I got to get these ribs in here, get some potato salad going and some beans going, and get on, because I got to eat. I ain't gonna lie. I've been waiting on them ribs for the last 4 hours. Get back out here and get a little bit more of that. But I do got some videos coming. I'm fixing to do that rack soon. I was looking at that windshield. I hit it again today. It didn't star pattern it again today, but I did hit it again. So I got to get that thing done soon. I just got to take the time to do it. So anyway, man, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Got some build videos coming, some cooking videos coming. And man, we'll see you on the next one. Y'all come back and see what's going on.